Having a well-defined holiday list is crucial for fostering clear communication and ensuring that all employees are well informed about their holidays, leading to a more organized and harmonious workplace. In this video, we will explore how you can easily define and customize holiday lists for different regions using greytHR, ensuring all employees receive accurate information about their local holidays. Let's get started from the greytHR admin portal. Navigate to Leave, Setup, and then Holiday List page. Select the new calendar year from here. To add a location to the holiday list, click the Settings icon. Double-click and select the holiday category. Please note you can select a maximum of 3 holiday categories. Save the category. You have 2 options to add holidays, manually or from the master list. To add a new holiday manually to the list, click on Add Holidays. Double-click here and enter the occasion. Select the date. System will capture the day automatically, so you can leave this blank. Select the location. Select whether it is a restricted holiday or not by selecting Yes or No. Similarly, follow the same procedure to add the remaining holidays to the list. Click on Save. To add the holidays from the master list, click Add from Master List. Select the required holidays using the checkboxes. Click Add. The selected holidays are added to the holiday list. Click Save to save the holiday list for the required leave year. Using the location, designation, and attendance scheme filters, customize the list of holidays as per your requirements. Click Excel Export to download the holiday list. If you have any doubt, please use our chat option. Our support team will answer your query. That's all. Now, you can start exploring the application and try out the actions yourself.